we're a company. We just happen to be a landscape company. We love the green industry, love what we do, but we want to take it to the next level. My name is Wade Martin. I'm with Martin Landscape, located in Port Royal, South Carolina. We're a full-service commercial landscape maintenance and landscape construction business. We currently have 2 locations, one in Hardeeville, South Carolina that serves the Georgia market, and we have our corporate office here in Port Royal, South Carolina. Martin Landscape prides itself on its core values. We created those core values: passion, pride, teamwork, and relationships. We came up with those as a team. So teamwork being one of them is a big thing. And building relationships. That's why we have a relationship with Bobcat Company. A great relationship with the guy that sells us the machine to the guy that services the machine. So we feel like it's just a good fit for our brand and our company. So we've been a Bobcat client since our origination in 2004. Like the Bobcat brand, the service, the dependability. Bobcat came out with lawnmowers. I was the first to look at the WorkSaver magazine and go, oh wow, we've got to check these guys out, because it was time for us to upgrade our fleet. So we put that option, because this was a very, very tough decision for us. We let our team decide on which machines they liked the best. So we demoed 3 different types of machines and had a whole survey, and we sent it out to our guys. We had the machines brought in, and they chose the Bobcat brand. The simplicity of the machine, simple things like the throttle on the stand-ons. They love it. We're not breaking throttle cables. We have a knob that's very similar to our skid steers. A lot of the things that they've developed and they've made the machine stronger, and we decided that it was the best fit for our company. So, as we've talked about a lot, is relationships. If a lawnmower goes down in the field, being in the green industry, that's how we make our living. That mower goes down, it costs us money. We don't need to wait for a part. I can get a part from the Bobcat Company within 30 minutes because I can drive to their shop. 9 times out of 10, that part is in stock for that machine. Where other companies, I'd have to overnight the part, pay the shipping on it. That downtime really hurts us. So having a local Bobcat dealer 30 minutes away was a huge selling factor on going with the new machines. It was a simple phone call to Brent Martin with Bobcat of Savannah. So when we made the decision to go with a fleet of all new mowers instead of just trying 1 or 2 out, we immediately looked at both branches and wanted to decide on what they needed, what they wanted and what they needed, and what the capability of the machine was. We actually got rid of some wide area mowers to bring in some zero turn lawnmowers from Bobcat due to the production rate that they produce. So in the long term, it's going to save us money. We took both branches, put them together, looked at what they needed, looked at the acreage on all the accounts, came up with a list. We had multiple deck sizes because Bobcat offers multiple decks on their machines. We took the deck sizes, we split it up to our teams, to our branch, things like that, submitted the order. The order was absolutely perfect when the machines came in. So one of the buying points of the machines is such a large investment. We looked at some of the simple things that broke on our current machines and past machines that we had and we ran. But we seemed like we just wanted to change with something different, or someone who's come ahead of the game. And we feel like Bobcat has taken that to the next level. As simple as marking on your throttle when to turn the PTO switch on. That's simple to most people, but that's very important to us because we were going through a lot of throttle cables. Well, the Bobcat Company came up with the dial that's in their skid steers. Simple, very simple. Most people don't look into it, but the PTO switch, having it marked on the panel, is a big deal to our guys. They like it. Also, the machine has a transport gear and a cutting gear. So when we do our safety and our training for our guys, they know not to cut when they're in transport mode. They'll put the machine in mow. Those are simple things to most people, but to our company, a company that spends a lot of money, a lot of time into training, that is a huge deal, and we really, really like that. We're strong on our brand, and we like to do partnerships and relationships with companies that are strong on their brand, and the Bobcat Company sets that example for us. We look up to companies like the Bobcat Company.